And that allegation is made not in a tea shop or in any corner somewhere. It is made in a big election rally where thousands of people are present, and where they say that Meghalaya is the most corrupt in the country. So this really affects our image. We have to discuss this because it has come from the people who has given many famous one-liners for the country. Na khaunga, na khane dunga. So imagine the image of our children who studies outside the state. Imagine the plight of our people from Meghalaya who works outside the state. When they meet their friends will say, you are chore number one in the country. Your state is chore number one. How will we feel? These allegations directly affects the image of our state. In Khasi language, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, we say Kta Mat Yong. Kta Mat Yong to the state, Kta Mat Yong to the Jaidbynriew. Maybe if I'm allowed to say in Garo, it will be Jatangna Ongsiana Aro Rasong Siani Onga. It has affect our image. Our children cannot show their face. And this also happens to be alleged to a state that is called a Christian state. And I am very sorry to say, these allegations are not unfounded. Where is the Sobhagya scheme report, where it is alleged that about 149 crores have been misappropriated? Where is the smart meter scam? These are all backgrounds where these VIPs make the allegations about Meghalaya being number one in the country in corruption. 1 lakh bags of rice were detected. It is not one truck, it is not 1,000, 1 lakh bags of PDS rice were detected in Boko in Assam. This cannot be just a simple mistake. I must say, one of the major achievements of the MDA-1 government is, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, Meghalaya is inhabited by 3 major tribes, the Khasi, Garos and the Jaintias. But a new tribe has been allowed to prosper. And because of this new tribe, the police force, the men in uniform in our state now, they have lost face in front of the High Court of Meghalaya. The Honorable High Court, in the rulings which they have given, available in public domain, openly they have said, we have lost trust on the Meghalaya police. And the High Court has demanded that CISF will be brought into the state to check the activities of this new tribe. What is the name of the new tribe of Meghalaya? It is the high-level tribe. This is very, very important for us to discuss in this house. CISF will be brought in. Why? Is it because our men in uniform are incapable? If I have to ask the leader of our men in uniform, the captain, how do you feel when you lose face in front of the High Court of Meghalaya? If I ask him what is the joy, I believe the answer will be the joy is 0. When our police forces try to adjust with all the impossible demands maybe of the people in power, this is the risk we run. We lose face in front of the court. All these activities that are going on, that we get the tag of the most corrupt state in India. Someone is calling the shots from behind. We do not know, but some people are calling the shots. In Garo language we say, Don Mitapa. Someone from behind the scene is calling the shots. So, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I'm afraid to say, the trend that our country is going on. There are a certain group of people who say, without us, if you do something, it is called corruption. But the same activity, if we are included, if we do it together with you, it is called brilliance. This is the tragedy that the country is facing now.
Honourable members, you have only 1 minute at your disposal, please. Wind up.
So, sir, the budget speech, the budgetary provisions, they are all fine. But ultimately, as said, the ultimate goal of all government interventions is citizen well-being and happiness. I wish that every citizen of the state will be happy. I wish that the government of the day will be able to control the new tribe, the high-level tribes. I wish that our men in uniform will be able to recover back the lost prestige that they have faced under the current dispensation. If I'm allowed to say, sir, this new tribe has been allowed to prosper under the watch of the MDA-1. So every rupee that we all agree, every single rupee that will be passed in this budget, cut motions will be brought. But ultimately, when our numbers are all so restricted, we will have to withdraw our cut motions. But then, when we withdraw, it means that we also agree to every single rupee that will be spent and mismanaged if there is no proper check and balance. This is my appeal. So through you, sir, I would like to request the government of the day, bring back the image of our people. Bring back the image of our people in uniforms. Bring back the pride that we say our state is a Christian state. Bring back that we respect the 8th commandment out of the 10th. This is my submission, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.